All right. Can you hear me? Should be good now, chat. We should be good. All right. Handsome. Hopefully wifey is driving right now in the freezing cold, so hopefully she's doing okay over there. Chat, what's going on, man? What's going on? I've had a eventful morning so far. Something else I needed to do, I think. I don't remember now. Whatever. All good. What's good, Marco? Why are you trading today? That's my job. It's my job. How's everybody doing this morning, though? I have had a wild week, and it is Tuesday. Wild week, and it is Tuesday. Get my futures accounts all ready to go on my copier. I also got to get my accounts going on my computer. I'm a little behind schedule over here, as you can see. Bear with me. Try my best. 05. Okay, I think we're all good. We're all good on my side. All right, chat. How we all doing this morning? Hope you guys are having a good week so far. Welcome back to another beautiful stream with the family over here at Chart Fanatics. And my stream deck isn't working now too. Wonderful. Give me a moment, chat. I'm gonna have to check the back of the computer. Wait, by the way, look at the back of the shirt. Be right back. Nothing's working this morning, man. It's like everything's unplugged. One sec, chat. Stream deck. Yeah, anybody else rock with wired earphones? Wired Apple earphones? I think these are the best earphones ever. All right, we're all good now. Stream Deck is working. Let me see. I'm going to switch you guys to an intro. No, we're all good. We're all good. Nice one, chat. Listen. Yeah, we've done very well this week so far. Very well. You know what we can do is let's hop into some charts because we got lots to talk about, bro. We got lots to talk about. Oh. We got lots to talk about. Here we go. Screen. Anthony, I just started recording, by the way. Okay. Aussie entries last night in Asia. And yes, look at that stop loss size, chat. I mean, it looks alarming. But hey, if it works, it works, bro. Look, I'll show you guys on my phone. Show you the trade history too for the little hater guys in chat. Here you are. You guys should be able to see entry at the top, and I just took a partial when I woke up down there at the blue arrow, and I still have volume running from the top. So that's what we're looking like on Aussie. And of course, we still have our USD CAD positions opened as well. That is floating even more money, 3,500. This is what USD CAD is looking like. So I have Aussie shorts, USD CAD longs, and everything is playing out beautifully right now. We're looking at maybe like a 10K week, and it's Tuesday. So, hey. NZD USD longs, Marco. Okay, I don't trade that pair. And hopefully that's incorrect, respectfully, because I'm Aussie short, which means NZD should not be going long. Wireless earphones have hella radiation. Yeah, Matt, I've heard. And it sucks because I love using AirPods in the gym, bro. I love using AirPods in the gym. And yeah, I've heard not the best things about AirPods, just wireless earphones in general, radiation and shit, chat. So I don't know. I don't know, and it's bad news, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Whatever. Okay. Partial wise, I paid myself. So last night in Asia, chat. This hit last night in Asia, right? This wick here, yeah. So last night I took off money on my USD CAD long up here. So I paid myself a little bit, and I'm holding the rest to highs on the left hand side. I can actually might be able to pay myself a little bit more above this high here, which we're approaching right now. So you know what I'll do, chat? We're 1 pip away. 1 second. I'm gonna close another little bit of volume here, and then hold the rest to the target. Let's get now I have 50. I'm 50% out of this position now, and we'll close the remainder at the highs up here. All right, so partial, full target. That's it. So the next time you guys will see me close USD CAD will be at the full target up here. 396. Let's do 386 for an alert. Cool. And then Aussie target down here. As you guys can see, nothing changes here on Aussie. And I've been actually, I told you guys yesterday too. I've been screaming, yo, chat, low key. If you guys have been listening on Twitter, on streams, I have been providing forecasts and signals left, right, and center. If you guys have been listening. So now that's on you to do your own analysis, match it up with mine maybe, if it makes sense to you, and align yourself with these setups. How can you get so patient? I think it just comes down to time and experience, bro. Experiencing these same things over and over and over and over, and then eventually, yeah, you experience the same things over and over and over and over, and then eventually it just becomes easier and easier, right? Like, it's just like anything in life, and we've had this conversation many times in the past, but the only way to get better at something is to do it over and over and over, right? Really think about it. The only way to get better at something is to do it over and over and over, and that's it, right? Like, if you're not good at holding trades to targets, practice it. It's going to be uncomfortable at first, just like anything in life. You're going to be in that trade, it's going to be in profit quite a bit, and you're like, oh my God, but the profit looks so good right now, I just want to close a little bit. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're uncomfortable, but you're uncomfortable for a reason. You're doing something you're not used to doing. So, if you want to get better at something, simply do it over and over and over and over. Right? Make sense? That's the only way, man. That's literally the only way. There's no trick to it. There's little tips and like there's little tips I can give you, like having a plan and set rules, all these different things will help you, yes, but the only way you'll actually change is if you literally just do it over and over and over. Right? So if you suck with a certain amount of volume, put that volume on more and more and more, eventually it'll get easier. Right? Comprende? Okay, let's get to some futures pairs here. So, believe it or not, Chad, I still think NQ goes short. We just spiked out some highs here. Peep these lows, chat. Peep these lows. Down here. So we're going the short after taking out these lows right now. Where are we going to be heading to? I think, listen, chat, if we continue going short through the day, I think this is all very sus to me. Very. So, these lows. It's possible. All right. Why don't you scale your balance, Marco? Are there any hidden reasons behind? What do you mean by that? Scale your balance. Talk to me. Talk to me. Do I do any journaling? TradeZella. Always TradeZella for me. Always TradeZella. Repping Chart Fanatics merch? Yes, sir, bro. Come on, guys. You guys know the drill. Yeah, here we are. So that's what I kind of see on NQ right now, chat. I feel like the downside isn't over yet. I feel like the downside isn't over yet. So yesterday's low could be a target for today. Yesterday's low, and then low from the left-hand side. So that's what I see on NQ right now. We'll see what the session looks like. I haven't taken a trade yet this week on futures. Gold, finally. Look. And guys, I don't have these highs and lows marked on for a random reason. Look. If you go back in all of the streams, every single time someone said look at gold, I had this high marked out and this low marked out. That's it. Look. Big coincidence. We're going short after taking out that high. Wow. Everybody that was asking me about gold for weeks and weeks and weeks, man, I said just wait for these highs and lows to go and then things will clear up. So now that we've taken out these highs, look at the daily chart here. We've spiked above Monday's high, and we've got that reaction down. We've just taken some lower time frame lows, so price could end up going bullish for a bit. However, still not interested in anything as of yet. I'm going to wait for... Look, we have lows intact down here, below Friday low. Lows intact down here. So what can happen is, as price develops, I can look for a continuation into these lows. You can sync all funded accounts with TradeZella. Yes, sir. You can sync funded accounts. You can sync evaluations. You can sync whatever type of accounts you want. So, high taken, reaction to the downside. As of right now, on a very lower time, not really very lower time frame, but highs left up here. Lows taken. So you could see this. Possible. Like I said though, since we've taken out some highs and we have liquidity to the downside, I'm leaning on shorts. And we just had a short. So what does that mean? I'm sitting out. Alright. That's it for now. What is this? Oh, it's a drawing. Alright, so that's my breakdown on gold right now. For all you gold traders, look, we're down 2% today. It's crazy. Gold, the volatility, bro, is just mental. From the high to the low, this was 1,500 pips. It's crazy. Thoughts on NVIDIA reports tomorrow? Honestly, bro, I don't really pay too much attention to that stuff. It's also going to be in the PM. I believe earnings is always PM session, right? This is how much I don't pay attention to it. But it directly affects the market, so I'll just react accordingly. That's it. I'm not going to predict anything. Aussie shorts I took yesterday. Honestly, guys, very, very, very straightforward. Very straightforward. The day before, spiked above previous daily high. Okay, which was up here. Spiked above previous daily high. And then came to these lows, respected them, built sellers on the other side, trapped the sellers. Now there's liquidity to the left of the other side. So I want to target the other side of the, take the highs, take the lows. As simple as that, right? So sellers are trapped. Now I want to see lows go. All right, so that's really it. As simple as that. You know what we'll do though, chat, is if you guys want, type 1 in chat if you guys want it. I'll do a webinar on this trade. I'll do a webinar on this trade in the Discord. Type 1 in chat. Yeah? Okay. We'll do it. Yes, I have a brand new YouTube video going out today as well. Don't worry, I got you. New YouTube video going out today. USD CAD above this high now. So the last target's going to be these highs on USD CAD chat. Yeah. Today. If you guys want to join the Discord and you want to take a part and join in on this webinar on the trade breakdown, exclamation mark Discord in chat and to join up the Discord. These are all the pairs I trade on CFDs right in front of you here. All right. We got stock open coming in 4 minutes here. My back is not happy with me today. What's up? Look at this. Red on my neck too. My back is not happy today though. Oh, fuck, chat. Am I gonna have to stand up and do a stream like this? That's worse for my back. What am I saying? Marco, your golden high, your high in gold has been swept. Yes, sir. It has been. Was the Euro USD webinar recorded? No, sir. It was not recorded. You're from Spain and the hour difference is hard. It shouldn't be that bad, bro. It was like afternoon for you. I made sure I ran the webinar at a time where it was good for everybody around the world, not just Europe. People in Asia as well could join in. The when I run webinars in Discord, they're not recorded. They're for people that show up live. Now, if you can't show up, that's fine. There's going to be more in the future. So don't be too crazy about it, but yeah, the webinar we ran last week wasn't recorded. What'd you do different if you had to start again? Yo, those questions are crazy. They're so loaded. What would I do different if I had to start again? In hindsight, bro, like, it's so easy to answer. Like, find the right content, find the right mentor, and then just study and work on myself. That's a big one. Work on myself. Because I neglected the psychology of trading for too long. I thought it was all in the charts. I thought my edge was all in the charts. It's not. It's not all in the charts. You need to find a strat. You know what, guys? And this is why Chart Fanatics is so wonderful. This is why Chart Fanatics makes all of your lives much easier. You don't have to guess which traders are profitable and which ones are profitable and which ones aren't. Go to the Chart Fanatics YouTube channel and eventually Chart Academy. Okay, that's all I'll say. But Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. Find a strategy you enjoy. Find a strategy that resonates with you and study it, learn it, apply it for months. After that, focus on yourself, focus on your mental, focus on your psychology, get your emotions down, get a plan. These things are all important, bro. Don't neglect the psychology side of trading. I did it for too long. I did it for way too long. Excuse me. I think everyone had a fake guru there. There you will show if you're interested in trading or in IG. I've had. I'm not sure what you mean. Too many strategies. It's not too many strategies. These are strategies with like some of the best time traders around the world. Like, it's an absolute honor to be beside some of these individuals. These are legends in the game. Legends. We do have President Trump speaking at 9 p.m. tonight. Interesting. What is he talking about? But he's speaking at 9 p.m. tonight. Guys, let's keep religion out of the chat for now. What are these indicator with those candles? This is just an indicator. It's a paid indicator. Higher time frame, power of 3, it's called. Right here. Take a screenshot, pause the stream. That's it. Really appreciate your posts on Twitter. Helps with the bias. Let's go, bro. Much love. Can you provide continuation trade in AU today? I close them. Can I provide a continuation? Bro, am I the market maker or something? Yo. I wouldn't, honestly, based off what the moves we've had in Asia so far, most pairs at least, I wouldn't be touching today, currency wise. German Forex come down to these lows, which we talked about yesterday. BTC still selling off, big surprise. I've told everyone and their mother and their father and their brothers and sisters and cats and dogs that I'm still bearish on this thing. Be careful. Bald baby, love you, bro. I'm gonna permanently ban you soon, bro. There's no bald baby, love you. I'm gonna put you in. I'll put you in another timeout if you continue sending messages like that. It's just weird. Bald baby, love you. Like, if you want to call me bald, that's fine. You don't gotta start calling me some weird ass names though. Marco, what is your favorite in F1? Max, Lando, Charles, or Piastri? You're missing a name there, brother. And that's quite insulting. Let me show you who my favorite is. Fucking GOAT right here, bro. This is the GOAT right here. This is the GOAT. You guys think otherwise? You guys don't know anything about F1. Respectfully. That's Lewis Hamilton, my man. Lewis Hamilton. He's a very talented individual. Marco, have you ever looked into microscalp pigmentation? No, I don't care about that too much. I don't care. I enjoy shaving my head. I'm aerodynamic. I run faster. I shower quicker. I'm all about efficiency over here. All right, so I shower. Like, if I gotta go for dinner at 8:30, I shower at 8:20. I'm at the door at 8:25. Done. Easy. When I run on a track, I'm getting around almost a second per lap quicker because of the aerodynamics in my head. I ran tests. All right, wait. Oh my God, chat, I'm so out of tune, bro. It's 5 minutes into the open. What the Yo, I'm not paying attention over here. What's going on with me? Sell off on the open on NQ. Yeah, this thing doesn't look pretty, chat. Leaning on So look at this too, guys. If you want to understand this price action here, it's nothing too complicated. For the people that aren't new here, probably understand this if you watch my YouTube videos. But this move here induces sellers into the market. We've left liquidity at the highs. We induce sellers, we trap them. Okay. And that's providing a sell-off on NQ right now. Check, I gotta blow my nose, bro. When the hell is all this fucking mucus from my cold gonna get out of my system? When? I got distracted by the chat, so I did get distracted by chat. Let's see this thing continue selling though, bro. On a lower time frame perspective here, let's mark these lows out. Monday's low there. By the way, chat, I don't know if you guys have seen here. Not yet, but today I believe is the last day for 90% off at Apex. Last day for 90% off. Can we enter before stock open or wait for 9:30? I don't know. Like, you're asking me permission? What is the best time to trade PM session? Honestly, bro, you're asking somebody that doesn't trade it really, so I'm not too sure. I can't really give you the best answer. I would say anything after New York lunch, maybe. You're going to have to do some testing on your own, though, because I don't recommend PM session, but hey, some people do trade it and find success in it. Getting a nice long on NQ right now. Back up to the highs. Damn, bro. Yo, I'm not looking at NZDJPY, bro. Why are we trading NZDJPY? There's many other pairs that you should be trading. We're just having trap after trap right now. Look. Sellers induced, sellers trap. Big sell off right now, inducing, leaving liquidity at the highs, probably running for the highs now. I would not short this thing right now. So be careful. Be careful. Marco, I think GU shorts look good, Marco. Chat, you guys kill me sometimes, man. Listen, you have to understand, I'm not a signal provider here. I'm just trading, bro. I'm just trading and doing my thing and giving you guys some insights and value. What's good, Wonder? How we doing, bro? Good to see you in here. My man Wonder's an OG. This man has showed love from day one. Been supportive. Been a homie. Chat, just a kind reminder, if you want to come and chat and just spam the same messages over and over and over, you'll just get timed out. And it's the same kind of people, bro. It is the same kind of people. Fucking it gets annoying, man. Soon I'm just gonna time them out right away. Like, I don't give a shit no more. I'll do it for the people that actually want to be here. Your USD CAD is almost at TP. Almost. I have an alert set up here, so we're all good. When it hits, we'll know. Aussie's having a pullback right now. If Aussie came back, chat, this is that's a target. And then after that, shorts again. All right, NQ's above these highs now, chat. Hello, Marco. Just checked in. What's up? Saidu? Hopefully I'm saying your name correct. High from the left, taken out now. Oh my god, fuck, I stuttered there. Taken out now. Price all the way at the 920s now. Look at this move, man. From the 700s to the 920s. Just stabbed out a high from the left-hand side. Honestly, nothing significant. This price action is some bullshit, though. I'll be happy to just wait for now. Maybe we come up to this internal point, chat. We'll mark this on. Is there a way this thing... One second. I don't know, man. Chat, if we get a wild fucking sell from up here, that'd be insane. Hello, Marco. I just want to let you know that I've been following your strategy on BTC and Ethereum, and it has been working very well so far. W's, bro. Let's go. Love to hear that. Absolutely love to hear that. Absolutely love to hear that. I haven't read any books on trading, chat. I'll be completely dead honest with you. I haven't read a single book on trading. Did we take out the high? No, not yet, chat. Sec, chat. Just gotta check on some stuff. NQ is still not above those highs though, so we're gonna continue monitoring that. My back is cooked today, chat. Cooked. Damn. Some days it's good, some days it's just ass. When is the new vid dropping? Wonder. It's dropping shortly after New York. Well, not after New York. It'll be around. It's about to be 10 a.m. So an hour or two. An hour or two. Still waiting on NQ, chat. Still waiting on NQ. Why don't I trade GU anymore? To be honest with you, I had GU on my list, chat, but I never actually traded it. I always had it on my list, never traded it. EU, however, I've been trading for years. So, different story. Still not above those highs. Are we gonna leave those highs for later? Let me see what chat's saying. On my chart, we took out the highs. On my chart, we did not. Marco, think about reading the Yo, Bigfoot, I haven't read a single book on trading. I'll be the first to watch the video dropping. Yo! I'm going to read the comments. I'm going to expect to see your first comment. Actually, the 5-minute liquidity matches with the 1-hour chart too. Solid view on PA there. W's. Hi, Marco. You mentioned that you're going to publish the breakdown of EU trade, what you took. Can we know when that is? I did a breakdown in a webinar no, it wasn't last week. It was on the weekend. I did a webinar on the weekend, breaking it all down for like an hour. So if you missed out on that, unfortunate, but there's going to be more in the future, bro. Wifey says she's home now, so we're all good. Marco, on some brokers, we took out the highs. That's fine. Chat, we haven't taken out the highs on my screen. So that does not, everything else does not matter. Everything else does not matter to me. Moro says, hey mate, first time in chat, but watch you. By the way, welcome in. First time in chat, but watched your vids for a long time. It's working. Cheers for all your effort. Much love, my bro. Come on, man. I'd love to hear that. And welcome into your first stream, bro. It's good to see you in here. Good to see you in here, and I appreciate you hopping in. And I appreciate the kind words. Too much love in here. Actually, no, it's never too much love. Love to see it. All right, we're getting a reaction on NQ right now. You looking at a short if the high is taken? Yeah, ideally. That's probably what I'm looking at here. We're getting some form of a short right now. Not convinced yet. Not convinced yet. Yeah, Marco should smile some more now that wifey's here. Yo, how did you know, man? That's how I always smile, chat. Is if wifey's in here. The more wifey's in here, the more I'm smiling. That's just how it works. I was here the whole time. Never had a doubt in you, babe. Never had a doubt. USD CAD going so hard. Where's wifey's hometown in Vietnam? I don't, baby. Where's all the family from? Which part of Vietnam again? Hanoi. That's right. Hanoi. Ohio? Getting trolled. 4-hour close is about to come in here, chat. Forgot her hometown? Nah, that's not fair. She wasn't born there. Her family's from there. Sec chat, sorry, I'm just have to read something. I'll be back. All right. NQ showing a little bit of a sell right now, pre 4-hour close. See what happens here. Chat, ideally, I want to see price back above these hourly highs. Gotta go study for my exam. Take care and have a great stream. Yo, Wonder, I appreciate you, bro, and I hope you have a good study session. Crush the exam. You got this shit. Let's go, Wonder. We're rooting for you over here. We're rooting for you. Alright, we're getting the 4-hour close is gonna come in right now, chat. NQ's short and still. Honestly, impossible for me to take. Impossible. So, I don't care. Legit impossible for me to take. Fave Vietnamese meal? Oh, man. I'm going to go with pho Thai. So pho with beef in it. That shit is so bomb. Wifey's mom makes it. The mother-in-law makes it. Oh my god. It's too good, chat. It's too good. Yo, chat, I'm going to let you guys know something, okay? Because there's so many people messaging it right now. The highs are not taken. Period. Okay? Period. I don't care about this feed. I don't care about that feed. I'm looking at the futures market. NQ1 did not take 24,965. Period. They're talking about CFD. Guys, even if you trade CFD, you should be looking at this chart. What are we waiting for? I'm waiting for price to stab these highs here, chat. What's YM doing? Oof. No, thank you. Yes. All indices kind of look similar right now, chat. We love you, Marco. We've learned a lot from your YouTube and free sources. Much love, bro. I appreciate the kind message. I really do. Hey, Marco, do you always follow strictly your rules? I mean, if we only wait for A+ setups, then entries are not so easy to take. Wait, why are entries not so easy to take, Dev Trader? What do you mean? Hi, Marco. Thanks for the content. Regarding stop losses, according to your concept, is it compatible with the trailing threshold of prop firms? Yes, sir. I'm here to see how disciplined trader like Marco Sir reacts when he is in a trade. I've noticed that you are really calm and follow your strategy. You're a great thanks for the value. Let's go, Kahad, I believe your name is. Gotta stay calm, bro. If you start acting all crazy and you care so much, and next thing you know, you take a loss, then you're beating yourself up, and emotions start taking over, then you're going to be all over the place. And you're just going to be reacting and trading off pure emotion, man. I feel like the sooner you learn how to just detach yourself from the outcomes of these trades, like who gives a... At the end of the day, chat, I don't give a shit if I take a loss. The thing is, I don't care at all if I take a loss. I just focus on, am I following my plan, period. My plan says I can risk X amount of dollars in a day. I don't breach that, right? I stay below it. So if it's a red day, I don't care if it's like 2 losses, 3 losses. I look at the P&L. Did I follow my plan per the P&L? For example, let's just say I can only risk 1.5% for the day. If I end the day and I'm down minus 1.2%, that's fine. I followed my plan. I didn't breach 1.5%. If I end the day and I'm down 1.8%, I'm down 2%, something's wrong, right? Whether that's one trade or whether that's 3 trades. I have the thing that's worked out for me is I have a certain number, I have a certain figure I'm comfortable risking every single day. It could be from a percentile perspective or from just a straight number perspective, right? $1,000 for some people, 1% for some people, whatever it is. Have it in your plan to follow that. And yeah, follow it on a daily basis. I don't focus too much on win rate. I feel like people focus way too much on win rate. Because then when you think about it for a second, chat, and listen carefully. If you focus on win rate so much, right? Like it's the end all be all for you. Automatically, what's going to happen is when you take a loss, you're going to be so much more married to that loss. Because you're like, oh my God, now it's affecting the strike rate. Something's wrong. Detach yourself from that. Some of the most profitable traders in the world have like a 30 to 40% win rate. Have you seen people on the Words of Wisdom podcast, for example? There are some people that get on that podcast that have like a 30%, 35% win rate. They just let the numbers do the work for them. Don't get too married to win rate, chat. Don't do it. There's going to be times where you have a lower win rate. There's going to be times where you have a higher win rate. One sec, chat. Gotta blow my nose. That Marcy episode is top drawer. She's a savage. She is definitely a savage. Yo, I might switch up my layout on my screens because I've noticed like me looking to the right hand side is a nuisance. It's doing my... I might put my chat on my other monitor here. Let's see how this looks, chat. I might put you guys on this monitor. There we go. I think. Is that gonna be nicer for my head? Look, I'm practicing my neck over here because I feel like I'm straining myself looking at. Now I see myself over here. I don't mind it actually. Nah, I'm not used to it, chat. I'm not used to it. I'm gonna put chat back on the other monitor. I'm not used to it. NQ's climbing back up to the highs, chat. Is that a book map? It is. I don't trade off it, but I'm monitoring it. I don't know fucking anything about book maps as of now, so don't ask me any questions about book map, please. All right, what do we got here? Still want this thing to the upside, chat, so we're gonna have to continue to wait. Ask Matt about book maps. He's all over that. My brother, I was on a call with him yesterday. If you switch sides, switch the camera too. That's better. I see what you mean. I put the camera on this corner. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the chat over here. It's just my back today is killing me, chat. My sciatica is flared the F up right now. I'm struggling, but it's all good. We're chilling. Lucas, my bad, bro. I didn't see your message. Hey, bro. As a beginner, I want to thank you for your contribution to my view about the market. It really changed how I approach the market. I just need to work on patience and discipline. You're not wrong there. Patience and discipline is incredibly important. But good stuff, Lucas. Keep at it. Are you trading NASDAQ more on technicals? Always. I always trade on technicals. I don't give a shit about the fundamentals. I'll be completely honest with you, chat. So, chat, I'll be completely transparent with you. So, I tweeted this on Twitter the other day. I'm gonna try and add bookmap into my entries, which means, to give you guys a little example. So when I see a run on liquidity and I'm interested in looking for entries, this is when I use bookmap. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. But that doesn't. The beauty about this is, and this is the only reason I am doing it, I don't have to change how I trade whatsoever. It's another confluence to entry. So all my liquidity concepts, all my concepts stay the same, which is great. Nothing changes. What's bookmap? It's Orderflow. Orderflow. It's, wait, I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if I can pull it up. Can you guys see? This. I don't know a fucking thing about it yet. I'm so new. So don't ask me questions on it yet. I'm only going to be using it for futures though. Like how I trade on the higher time frames in FX, nothing changes. I definitely won't be using bookmap and stuff for this. It's only going to be for scalping and futures. That's it. That's it, my mans. It looks insane. It does look insane. Adding some roids to the strategy. The thing is, and again, the reason why I was never opposed to it, and I was thinking about this months ago, is because I don't have to change how I trade. I don't have to change how I trade whatsoever. Everything stays the same. It's a layer. It's another layer to my entry. It's another confluence to my entry. So, for example, let's just say I wanted to look for an entry here, okay, on the 1 minute time frame. Then I look at the order flow and confirm my entry. That's it. So that's the beauty about it. See what NQ does though. I want to see NQ above these highs. Marco's model plus order flow is the meta. We'll see, man. We'll see. I don't know anything about order flow as of yet. I'm so new to this. Can I draw my higher time frame on gold? This is my higher. This is all the markings I have on gold right now, chat. And I'll draw these on as well. All I got on gold right now. Yeah, Esteban, I'm in the middle of fixing it. It is feeling a lot better, so we're in the process of sorting out my issues. But like I said, it is feeling better, which is nice. My water bottle. Hey Marco, can you please explain your trade on USD CAD? I got even better for you. Go into yesterday's stream, and I did a full breakdown. Yo, what's good, Red Maroc? How we doing, bro? Yo, Jan, what's up, bro? I'm chilling, man. I have a feeling we're gonna see. I'm gonna wait on 10:30, chat. I want to see what happens around 10:30ish, in and around that window. So it could start happening soonish. 10:20. I want to see what happens. Thank you for sharing your technical expertise with us. The skill and discipline you're instilling in us will stay with us for a long time. We appreciate your guidance. W Gospel, appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. How did I get these huge candles? It's a paid indicator here, chat. Yo, my back is not feeling good today, chat. Damn, man. If NQ spikes the low, would I consider a long to the high? No. Ideally, no. That's not. It's just too short term for me. I'm a day trader, intraday trader, but that's like super scalp. Did you get faster running once you buzz the hair? So Mac, I know you weren't in the stream earlier, but we talked about the aerodynamic benefits that come with shaving my head. So for example, if I'm doing 400s on a track, I gain approximately 0.75 tenths to 1 second per lap because of the aerodynamics on my head. It's a proven fact. It's been tested in the labs, and I've confirmed it. Try swimming rather than running. It will take load off your back. Right now I'm doing cross training, Matt, so I'm on the elliptical. Like this. If you guys don't know the elliptical, you're missing out. I do it with all my friends. My friends are about like average age of 75. So these are my friends on the elliptical, usually. Here we go. Show you, chat. That's usually one of my friends on the elliptical beside me. They're usually going a little bit slow. They're on the older side, but then you see me flying beside them. 160, 165 beats per minute. I'm in threshold on a fucking elliptical. Elliptical is for uncles. Elliptical is a hack. I'll tell you why. It gets the heart rate up really easily, and it's extremely low load on the body. So if you guys are looking to build your cardio up and your running is shit, mix in elliptical and then thank me later. Trust me. You're going to be messaging me later saying, oh, Marco, you know what? Thanks for that, bro. Because now I can fucking run forever. Marco, do you have a smoothie mix for your cold? I don't have a cold anymore. I'm not sick anymore. It's just like leftover phlegm and shit, man. Like you know when you have a cough and you cough that shit up and then you have to blow your nose. It's just all at the surface. I'm just getting it all out of my body. I feel 100% though. Why Bookmap wouldn't change the way I trade? It's just a confluence to entry. Everything stays the same. So like I'm not using Bookmap to find a short above these highs. No, the candlestick chart is telling me to short above these highs. Nothing is telling, and I'm not changing how I trade whatsoever. I'm adding a confluence to my entry. That's it. That's it. I'll keep you guys updated though. I'm just trying it, so we're gonna have to see how it works. Like I said though, nothing changes how I trade in FX though. How I trade in FX stays exactly the same. Right? So that doesn't change. Any trading books recommendation? Bro, I don't read. I don't read. I'll be honest with you. I don't read. Can you believe it? You know, I remember when I was learning trading, everyone's like, you need to read books. You need to read these trading books and then you'll be profitable. I haven't read a single book, bro. Everyone's like, you know what's so funny about trading? Everybody's like, not everybody. There's this group of people that are like, ice cold plunge. Wake up at 5 a.m. 10 miles before breakfast. Then you'll be profitable. Those people make me fucking giggle. Laugh. Giggle and laugh. Yeah, the words of... There you go. If you guys don't read books, watch the Words of Wisdom podcast, bro. That's it. But I'll tell you this, and I'm gonna say this confidently. If you're one to be if you're not disciplined whatsoever in your everyday life, meaning you can't get yourself to go to the gym, you're not active, you eat like shit, you smoke, you drink all the time, you'll be a shit trader, bro. I don't care what you say. Except the minority. There's gonna be always the exception in every single topic on anything. But if you slowly learn how to build discipline in your personal life, it'll leak into your trading. 100%. I don't read books, bro. I'll be completely honest. I don't read any books. I didn't even read books in school. I told the internet to tell me what was in the book, and then I got in trouble from my teacher. It was very standard. Could you mark the position where the entry occurs? Listen, guys, and I'm going to tell you, everybody in this live session right now, my job here isn't to provide you guys signals, okay? I'm going to trade how I trade, and if you guys want to take the same entries as me, so be it. That's fine. I'm here to provide value. I'm not here to provide signals. I'm not going to slap my sell tool on my chart just for you guys to see my entry, to see my stop loss. You guys will see it when I'm trading, but I'm not here to provide signals. That's not what I'm doing here. Okay, there's no benefit in that whatsoever. Okay, so if you're here for me to say, take an entry here, put your stop loss here and target there, I'll tell you when to close. Wrong stream. Yes, I trade in front of you. Yes, I show my entries. Yes, I show my stop loss. I show everything, but I'm not here to provide signals. Okay, there's a big difference. So for the people here that want signals, wrong stream. All right, Chad, these highs are taken out now. Let's mark this on. And we'll very carefully see if we can find a short here. If not, it'll be a no trade day on futures. I'm gonna have. I've had 0 trades on futures. Friday, I believe it was as well. No, Friday I took a loss. Yesterday, today, it's crazy, man. I've made a lot of money in CFDs so far this year. Not the same in futures. I don't know if it's futures as a whole, or it's just the charts in general for NQ and shit. But the charts look like shit. I'm gonna be honest. That's just my view on it right now. The charts on NQ have been absolute dog water. And you know what? We can all agree. Like, look at this. This is the daily chart. This is the daily chart in front of us here. You can give a man a fish, he will eat for a day. If you teach him to fish, he will never go hungry. That's a good one. It's a classic one. Mark, you trade the same on futures and FX? Of course. Just different time frames, different hold durations, right? I'm holding on FX for long periods. Right? I'm holding trades for long periods. Like, this is a 4-hour time frame. I can't do that on futures, right? Good thing we paid ourselves here, chat. Look at Aussie. We kind of called this though, eh? Remember? Internal lows. There's a reason I partial at these areas. So we paid myself at these lows. We're seeing a pullback right now. If we continue long, which is completely fine. I'll tell you why. Short targets are still intact. This could be an incredible long, or sorry, short above these highs. So keep an eye on these highs up here. I actually do hope we come back up to these highs because I can take another entry. And this is a big short from these highs to these lows, 80 pips. So that's what I see on Aussie right now. And I have paid myself already. Look. This is a payout actually. So we're chilling. Marco, AU has been respect your strategy. I haven't taken a loss on it in 2 weeks. God damn, bro. If you haven't taken a loss on 2 weeks, you're doing something right. Chat, 1 second. Yo, chat NQ just looks fucking awful, man. This thing has just been so shit to read so far. This price action down here, like, this is the fucking daily, bro. We just been chilling down here for days and days and days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th day. We're just trading in this area. So gross, bro. So gross. Like, if I just clear my chart up, chat, I liked the longs below these lows. Didn't take them. Okay, these longs down here, disgusting in my opinion today. I don't know. NQ has been just on one for these the last like 4 or 6 weeks. Gross price action, man. What are you expecting right now? It looks like it's just going to continue long, bro. These are just not conditions that I can be trading. Like, meaning if we go long today, the entry was down here, but it's not really clean for my system to be taking this entry whatsoever. Can you check USD JPY? It's another one. UJ's been so ugly, bro. Are these markets all ugly? You know what? It's crazy. I've done well CFD wise this year. And I still believe the markets have been shit. Now, when the markets clean up, we got to go on a fucking tear, chat. We're going to go on a fucking tear. Even on futures. I just need this market to clean up. These, like, I just can't fucking involve myself in these longs. I needed price below these lows, and it doesn't go. Doesn't go. ES follow suit. I'm assuming, yeah, like, look at all this ugly stuff, man. No bueno for me. Can you describe a clean market? My man. Look. This is a daily chart, by the way. Look at this. I think this is self-explanatory. No? No? Look at this market. Very, 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 very choppy, 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 choppy. Yo, my man. Motive and info. I need it. You know, let me go. I want to look. Your messages are just, bro, Euro USD, bro, Euro USD, US Euro USD, bro, Euro USD, bro, Euro USD, bro. I have these highs marked here for Euro USD. Man, I love streaming, but it drives me nuts sometimes. He says it again. Market should just continue bullish, chat. I think tomorrow. Yeah, Thursday there's news. So I'll be back with you guys on Thursday, and then Friday there's more news. PPI on Friday. Yeah, it's tough conditions, chat. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? I'm not taking anything now. Now that this bullish move is done, I don't see anything really that's gonna occur now. I wanted to see longs below these lows, 24,608. Let's run this giveaway. Let's run this giveaway. We're gonna do exclamation mark join in the chat. What a fucking slow couple days, not a couple weeks and futures for me, man. God damn, this shit's so boring sometimes. Highs, lows. Look at this fucking chart in front of us. Look at this chart. There's zero consistency in this market right now. All right, Anth, shut her down. Shut her down, chat. No more entries. No more entries, chat. I'm gonna get the... Chat, so today, all entries are in, chat. And here we go. We got all the drones that continuously type it over and over and over. Look, I'm going to spam it in chat. All entries are in. All entries are in. And you're still going to have people that try and type it. It's unbelievable. I don't understand how people's brains work. Okay. Today we got Apex, Alpha Capital, and TradeZella. Apex, Alpha Capital, and TradeZella, chat. All right. Let's get this wheel over here. And let's get... Oh, wait. Whoa. Scratch this spin. I got to get the names from Bossman Anth. What am I doing over here? All right. Wait for Anth over here. And then we'll run the giveaway. Look at all of you, man, still typing the message, even though, like I've said in the chat, it's done. And we still got people just spamming, bro. Is there any way to follow instructions? It's insane. I don't understand. patience needed sometimes is crazy. Look at these guys. Waiting on Mr. Ant chat, and then we're gonna run this giveaway. See what NQ's doing. Anything? Nothing. You need to understand not all people have good internet like you. My man, Regan. I'm typing it in the chat. All entries are in over and over and over, and they see that. You don't need good internet to see that. I understand maybe the video's behind or anything like that, still buffering, but the chat isn't. The chat is always live. Wishing you a great workout today, W, bro. Appreciate you. Bowling yesterday. Yo, is wifey in here right now? Still waiting on Anth, bro. I'm sorry, chat. I think ChatGPT is failing him today. Buddy, don't reply to some of these messages. Some people annoy. I mean, Zane, listen, I understand. For the people that are watching, it's easy to say that. Oh, you sent it in. What the fuck? My bad. Here we go. Chat, we're all good. We're all good, chat. First giveaway is going to be for an Apex account. All right, here we go. Aniraj Batra. I think. Anira. Show me a sign of life in chat. Anira. There you are. Not here, World Info says. Nice try. Anira, congratulations. You've won yourself a free Apex account. Please follow, and guys, listen. You know how many messages I get in Discord? Marco, I want a Chart Fanatics account, but I don't know what to do. Follow the instructions in the Discord. Follow the instructions in chat. The mods tell you what to do step by step. Read it. Follow it. Mods, Anira's in chat. Can you please supply them with a message? Mods. Mods. Nothing's working today, chat. All right. Anira, congratulations. You won yourself an Apex account. Please follow instructions in chat. Next, Alpha Capital. My nose is running right now, chat. Fuck. Patience is key. Nice. I like that name. You've won yourself Alpha Capital. W's. W's for patience is key. please type in chat if you're here. Patience is key. Here we go. Patience is key W. Congratulations, bro. You've won yourself a free Alpha Capital account. Last one is going to be Trade Zella, and I believe 12 months. 12 month subscription to Trade Zella. Here we go. Revival Wealth. Congratulations. You've won yourself a 12-month subscription. I don't think they're here. Yeah, they're not here, I don't think, chat. Now they're here. Do people switch accounts, chat? Is that a thing? Are people switching accounts and entering multiple times? Because he wasn't in chat before. Alright, whatever. Alright, W's, guys. Slow ass stream today, bro. I can't be asked with fucking NQ right now. Honestly, I could care less about this thing. FNQ. I'm making money in CFDs, and I'll take that. A win is a win. Futures can lick my bottom for now, to say the least. But love you guys. I appreciate all of you guys for hanging with me today. I will see you guys again on Thursday. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And we'll talk soon. All right. All the best, guys. Take it easy. And ciao.